round 3 here on the 12th day of October 2024. But beautiful. I mean, like I said before, Pleasant Hills Cemetery here in Eden Prairie, Minnesota. And that one over there, I saw you guys a little past one. So we have a McGovern. She looks like she's still alive. She was born in 1944. He died 2017. They were married April 8th, 1967. Very nice. Janice Allen. So I don't know if that's the day they died or what, or whatever. I don't know. It doesn't say anything. So I don't know. Got right over here. Rachel. Got Lynch. You got Scott. 2004. Korea War, the Forgotten War. 1930 to February 2007. But you have Lynch over there, parents, 1938. She's still alive. John, Jake went in 2021. They're married July 3rd, 1951. So, father and son. He went 2021. He went 1990. Wife. So she went 2018. They're all united in death. Over here, that's World War II. Husband and father. Very nice. Orden. U.S. Army. Thank you very much for your service, my friend. Another Anderson over here. Yeah, it's just a great day to any kind of video, and it would be for that matter. Want to go rail fanning, go walk around, make a video somewhere. It's not too hot. The camera, I'm on the Action 4. This thing can go forever, so it's kind of nice. Another Anderson here. Bradley is still alive. Colette. Oh, she died my birthday. Nice. Long lived wife, mother. August 15th. 14. Let's see. Jason Michael Hutchinson, whatever. April here. Betty, 2017. October. We go over in the corner over here, all by themselves, kind of. 2002, 2017. That Norman and Odette, I can't pronounce that, sorry. Well, I could never be in radio and TV. I could be like the idiot that just kind of talks along, but Murphy. You can sit down right here. I like these. You can sit down here and talk to deceased. Some have them like this, kind of nice. But Carson Midcalf Heaven over here, 1883 to 2000. It's a young life. Daughter, sister, friend. I think that's kind of young. You can live to be 80 years old. You've lived a long life in my mind. You can walk back into there, trail back in there. But that's probably part of the cemetery if they want to do more stuff. April. Baby of all. Oh, April 1947. Shame. Sad. None of the. See the baby ones. It's kind of sad. So. Jesus. 61. Linda Buckham. Ah, oh, Mary F. Anderson. Another Anderson. Well, that's kind of spilled definitely, but still. Anderson, another plot. God, how many have we seen so far? Oh my goodness. Victor. Pleasant Hills. Got another one over here. James Lowell, July 12th, 1941. Oh, well, that's a shame. Very young. 1941. Here's another one right here. These should be, so you can look at them on the other side. It's too bad. I can't look at that one. Let's see. Can't really tell. That should be turned around. Saying that these should be turned around so they're facing. So you can see them. When they put them in, they should all be facing one way. Edward Johnson, Elizabeth J. Hill, William C. Thomas, 1970, 1900, 96. Thomas Drill. It's a big ass one. Oh my goodness. Crusade for Peace. Yep, October. Old one there. See, this should be turned around. Well, it is. I'm sorry, it is. Buckingham, John, and Marine Stanley Anderson, May 13th, 1980. Peace over anger, honor over hate, strength over fear. Very nice. Like that. It goes real good right now. We're talking about right here. Plane going over. Another Anderson plot. Minnie Anderson. Hazel Beggs, December 15th. Baby girl. 1890, 1990. Father. Jennifer Aid, 1856, 1924. Huh, all right. Yeah, I figured about 3 we'll get for you guys. Got some old ones over here. This is Anderson again. These are old ones. Really can't tell what they are, but children of he died, infant. That's a shame. James W. 1886 to me. Oh my goodness. Whew. Some old stuff right there. You can tell that or not. Oh my goodness. Another Anderson, you guys. Minnie. We have another one. November 6th to 23, 1917. The old days, when the child got sick, there was no way. Now these days, a child can be born with a problem that can somewhat save it, unless it's stillborn. So that's what happened in the old days. You suffered through your behaviors and cholera and all those diseases. It just it's an old one right here, 1819 to 1883. All these little stuff right here. Some of these cemeteries are pretty cool. Jen Mitchell. Edith McCoy. Yeah, boy. There's some Mitchells. There's a second Mitchell in here too as well. Another Mitchell over here. Nelson John Mitchell, 1872 to 1964. Born December 20th, 8.6. So it looks like it's some newer stuff over here on my left, but September 1898, 1980. This is a Mitchell plot. Another brown one, 1984. Oh, brown. Very nice. Got some interesting stuff here. Jane Brown, May 1st, October 28th, 1987. Jane Brown, U.S. Army, 1925. World War II to end all wars, snap the necks of Kraut and free the Jews, as I always say. So Brown, J.C. Carroll, still alive. Huh. All right. Brown again. Bad boy. Margaret. That's some old stuff right here. August, he died. Was born in August and died in August. Yeah. U.S. Army, Spanish-American War. Oh my goodness, 1882 to 1954. Oh my goodness. Spanish-American War. First, I've never seen anything like that before. John Edward Clark. But anyways, guys, another Watkins over here. So there's your, I figured you get 3. I could try to muster out a 4th one, but it wouldn't be. Curtis A. joined December 42. Patrick A. Watkins. Oh. The Brown plot again. Father. But anyways, guys, kind of go over here a little bit. Look at some of this stuff. Smith, Larry, 2010, Hanson. He went 2019, she went in 2022, United. Rogers, Russell. The 1932, 2012, Barbara J. still alive, still kicking. So anyways, guys, put a couple of these over here. We'll be on the way. Military Vietnam, welcome home, my friend. 58,000 plus, many collateral damage. So, World War II. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. See you in the next one. Bitch please, being bitch please.